It's Tuesday. You know what time it is, don't you? Tea Tuesday. Our awesome friends were joining in with Life with Patty and Kathy's Favorite Things. They are both awesome channels. Please go check them out. Also, please go check out the playlist and see what everyone did this week. There's always something interesting and wonderful on Tea Tuesday. Now let's see what Grandma did. Hi, everybody. Tea time.
Tea time.
Here I got my daughter another day. We got to grab her when we can. Okay, Deb, want to talk about what we're up to today? Oh, I guess we should mention our tea first.
Oh yeah, today's tea is pineapple tea blend, and in Spanish it's té de piña. Hopefully that was right.
I hope so too.
But it looks pretty good. Alrighty, so what we got here is some goodies I have worked on in the past and some new ones I made. So on your little tea tray, or not tea tray, what is this? Saucers. You have a Alice cookie, and I have the Mad Hatter. Cute, huh? And so some of these, like I said, some of these items I had done, like these cookies I did last year, and so the cakes are new, and we're just, I wasn't able to get them done for this video, so I thought, well, let's just bring them with a cute idea. This is not, it's not connected, it's just the illusion that it is. Because I wanted to give my mom some options if she liked this way or another way that I had, and this is a sneak peek, so you'll see the final reveal in the what's it called?
The big finale.
The big finale. I don't know why I keep forgetting that word, but the big finale. So we just thought we would show like a little sneak peek of what I've been working on, and will be included. And like I said, some of these other items, all of these other items I have created before over on Blossom Your Creativity. So if you want to see how I made them, go on over there and you'll see. And then a week after the finale, then I'll have the how I made the cakes on there, because I have to wait to post that later.
Well, we just do the best we can, right?
Yes, and we've just been super busy. I was recently on vacation and realized that I spend more time doing crafts than I do spending with my family, so I've decided that I'm going to cut back on some of my crafting so I can spend more time with my family, which I think is important to do.
Well, yesterday I had a granddaughter come over. I could have done a video. Instead, I spent it with her. And the following weekend, I spent the whole week. The previous weekend, I spent with two doggone, if you can believe it, two babies coming, and two reveal parties on Saturday, and the other one was Sunday. They'll both be up by the time you watch this video, they'll already be up, and you'll already know if I'm having a new great-grandbaby girl or a great-grandbaby boy. And since we have two of them having babies at the same time, we should be doing really good.
Yeah, it's funny how there's a, you know, you have all these grandbabies come at one time, and then they start getting older, and then a new set of them comes. So there's always, you know, new babies coming in the family.
We had 8 grandchildren under 5, and we are going to have 8 great-grandbabies under 7. So it's really growing fast now. The grandchildren were a little slower than my regular children, but they're catching up. And a lot of my grandchildren have no children. So I could have a lot more great-grandchildren, right?
Yes. My 3 don't have any. So all these grandchildren, great-grandchildren she's getting is just from 2 boys.
I know I don't. I have girls too. Oh, the ones that are
where it started from.
Oh,
Your
yeah.
2 sons.
Yeah, the sons are the ones that their kids are having all the children, not hers.
Not mine. They're too independent. I don't know.
Yeah.
They just want to do their own thing.
Well, you're just going to have to say, Cynthia, Alyssa, come over and share the grandbabies with me.
Well, I did, and I went to
Wild Animal
Park with one of my nieces and her babies. So that was fun. I enjoyed that. So that's my goal, is to do more of that with the grandkids or the nieces and nephews. So
And I think that's where I'm at too. I'm gonna continue putting up. I don't know. I'm gonna say I'm gonna cut down, but I don't seem to be doing well at that cut down thing. I think people say they don't know what to make videos of. My problem isn't that at all. Mine is, where am I gonna find the time to make them?
what is the word that people say all the time? It's what is it called when you have to cut back? What is it called? Jeez, my mind. I have Alzheimer's or something. I don't know what's going on. But basically, you're supposed to
Cut back?
Yeah, cut back. That's not the word I was looking for, but she needs to slow down. She's getting a little up there in age. She needs to enjoy herself. So.
Well, that's another problem. I mean, I'm 70. I'm gonna be 76 next month, and I'm not slowing down at all. And on top of that, I'm working more hours. I used to only work 32 hours. Now I work 40 hours. And my husband's in not the best of health, and I don't know how I do it.
I don't know either, because I'm exhausted myself right now, so I don't know how she does it. But we're running out of time, Mom, so
okay,
let's
do a close-up
of these items so you guys can see. And then if you're interested in learning how to make any of these, then you can go on over to the Blossom Your Creativity and watch the step-by-step.
and see how she did it.